Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing good. Actually during this lockdown, it's a very difficult situation to all over the globe because we have seen that after the 21 days we have stayed in room and now the lockdown has been increased till 3rd of May. I can understand it's a very bad situation for all of us. We can't replace our classroom interactions of teacher and students with this online, but we are doing our level best to improve this education sectors. We should not get a loss of this 1 month education. So that's why I'm doing my level best to make you understand. But I can understand this online teaching can't be replaced for this classroom interactive teachers and students. So that's why not an issue. After as the summer vacation ends, our school will open and we will go and we'll really learn that. Before that, whatever the month, as for example April or May is remaining, in that you can enjoy education with these videos. If you are having any type of doubts during this video, so you can drop your doubt into the comment box section. See, first of all, I have seen that many of the students don't know where is comment box section. What you have to do, as you are watching the video, you can scroll down. Downside it is written comment box. So you can write your whatever the doubts you are having and you can do comment. Yes, you don't know that where to do comment, that's why I am telling you. As you are watching my video, after watching my video, you will see, just scroll down and on the last you will see the comment is written. So it is just a blank. In that you can drop your comment that I can understand that this type of problem you are facing. In the previous video I had explained you about the lesson number 3. In this video I am going to explain you some of the question answers which are very important for our chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. So you can see, write 2 characteristics of cotton plant. First of all, I am going to just do a revision, shortcut revision of that chapter number 3. In the chapter number 3, what we have done, first of all we have seen that what is fiber, what is yarn, what is fabric. Fabric is a piece of cloth. That fabric is made up of yarns and yarns are made up of fibers. So when these fibers, we talk about the fibers just like cotton, synthetic like rayon, nylon, polyester and many more. So these are all the fibers are specially being obtained from the 2 categories. One is natural, another is synthetic. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals, and in this chapter we have studied especially about the plant fiber, that is jute and cotton. In jute and cotton, how the jute fiber is obtained, how the cotton fiber is obtained. After getting the information about the jute and cotton fiber, how they are being obtained, we have discussed about how they are specially spinned, how they are getting knitted, how they are woven. So these are all the process we have read in this chapter. So let's start with the important question. Question number 1, write 2 characteristics of cotton plant. What are the 2 characteristics, what are the 2 properties of a cotton plant? You can see here, cotton plants are bushy and 1-2 meter tall. Means they are having lots of branches, so they are bushy and they are little bit tall also. 2 meter means approximately this much pitch, means more than our, till that it is 2 meter long. So you can say that 2 meter means 200 centimeter. The 200 centimeter long trees are there. They are very bushy, means they are having a lot of branches. Second point, the plants starts flowering in about 60 days and gives whitish yellow flowers which turns reddish within the few days. Means first of all, what are the main 2 properties of the cotton plant? So that these 2 are the main 2 properties of a cotton plant. Cotton plants are bushy and 1-2 meter tall. The plant starts flowering is about 60 days, means within the 2 months the plant started flowering. As they started flowering, then they gives yellowish or whitish flowers which turns into the reddish after the few days. So this was our question number 1. Now we are talking about the question number 2. Name the device used in the process of weaving. What are the device which is used for weaving the clothes? The weaving is done on hand looms or power looms. These are the 2 machines, hand looms or power looms. Hand looms are used in the small scale sectors, while the big industries use power looms for weaving. You can understand, see, for the small, as for example, if you want to make a garment or you want to make a fiber in a small scale is not in a large amount, small amount like 100 meter, 200 meter or 500 meter, then we are using the hand looms. But if we want to make lakh meters clothes that time we use power looms for weaving. So these are the two methods, hand looms and power looms are the two devices which is specially used in the process of weaving. Third question, name the factors which influence our choice of clothing. Why we are wearing different types of clothes? Then you can write the answer as the factors which influence our choice of clothing are climate, because of the climate changing, summer, winter, rainy season. Because of the climate changing also, the factors which influence our choice of clothing, the choice of clothing influence especially because of climate. Second thing is occupation. As we are earning, according to that, we can't wear so much highly rated clothes. As for example, if we talk about one suit is of 1 crore, so we can't buy, because our occupation is not about that, so we can wear 1 crore rupee suit only, right? Some are tradition and culture. You will see in the village the traditional, some rules and regulations are there. Our cultural, like in the village you will see all the ladies are wearing sari only. They are not wearing that salwar and suits, because the culture and tradition is there. And gents are wearing dhoti, kurta, lungis. So the tradition is there. So because of the tradition and culture also, we choose our choice of clothing. And the daily needs of the place where we live. Yes, you can see in the city, we can wear shorts also, and wherever we are living, we see to the peoples that how they are wearing. We also demand our parents, yes, we should also wear like this, because they are wearing, they are so modern, they are so fashionable. What I want to say, the main thing is, wherever we are living, we have to see that culture, we have to adopt that culture, we have to face that culture, and then we can wear that type of clothes. If you want to write this answer, then you can write, otherwise I will explain more questions. So you can write these answers, or you can take a screenshot of these answers. After taking a screenshot, I will go ahead with the more question answers, right? I hope all of you have written, right? So can I go ahead with the new questions? Actually, I am not going to erase. I will just explain the answers. While listening only, you have to write all the answers also. Okay? So now I am not going to write the question answers. You have to just listen and you have to write in your note. I hope all of you have written the question answers. So now the next question is, what is the texture of jute fiber? At what stage of the plant the jute obtained is harder? Means question is, what is the texture of jute fiber? Means by what thing the jute is being obtained. Second is, at what stage of the plants the jute obtained is harder. Jute fibers are silky texture. Means which type of nature the jute fiber have? The jute fiber has silky nature. Which type of nature? Silky nature. And jute is obtained from a matured plant, has a hard texture. As the jute plant has grown matured, they are having hard texture. From there we can obtain jute, and jute has silky texture. As the question was, what is the texture of jute fiber? It is a silky. Remember, jute fiber has a silky texture. Now we are moving towards the next question. Name the plant from which the coir is obtained. Write one property and one uses of coir. Coir is obtained from the outer covering of the coconut fruit. Coir is also very strong fiber. Coir is used to making floor coverage, mattress, doormats, ropes, etc. Have you ever seen the coir? Coir meaning, you know what is the meaning of coir? अच्छा आप लोगों ने नारियल का छिलका देखा? From that ropes are being made, right? So that is only coir. So can you tell me from where we can obtain the coir? Our main coir is obtained from the outer covering of the coconut fruit. The outer covering of the coconut fruit. That coconut is there, so outer covering, that part, from there only the coir is being obtained, and it is being used. It is a very strong fiber. It is specially being used for floor covering. Means just like a doormat, it is also being used for making ropes. So now we are moving towards the next question. As if you have not written, then you can write this question also. As I am explaining you, while listening only you have to write the answers. Now the next question what I want to say you is, how is jute fiber extracted from jute plant? How is jute fiber extracted from the jute plant? Means the process of jute flower, how the jute flowers are being extracted from the jute plant. So I can tell you very easy. It's very easy, I can tell you. Jute flowers are being extracted from the jute plants. Jute plants are usually cut at the flowering stage. A good quality fiber is obtained from the plant cut at the flowering stage. First of all, when should we cut to the jute plants? Jute plants is being specially cut at the flowering stage. When the jute plants start giving flower, that time they are being cut, because that is the best stage to cut the jute plant. And second point is, after the dry leaves have fallen, the bundles of dry plants are kept in a pond for a few days. During this period, the gummy skin rots out to separate the fiber. The process is called retting, and the jute fiber is obtained from the retted jute by hand. Actually, as we have cut the jute plant as the flowering stage starts, so after cutting the flowers, we keep this jute into the river, nearby water, wherever the waters are there, and after 1 or 2 weeks, whatever the sticky particles are present in that jute plant, we remove that sticky particles, and then we separate this jute, and then silk fiber is being obtained. The jute fiber is being obtained, and that process is only called retting. The jute fiber is obtained from that retted jute. The process of retting, as I have informed you that how retted this retting, we are doing the retting to these jutes. So these jutes are being retted, and then we remove or we obtain the jute from this jute plant, and we get this jute from the jute plant by hand. So also we remove these all the things by hand. So these were some of the important question answers of chapter number 3. I am going to give you the same homework. You have to just listen the video very carefully, and then you have to write the answers. I hope all of you have liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. So if any of your friends are not getting notifications, so they can take the help by sharing the link also. You can write this question answers in your notebook also. And if you are having any type of doubt, sir, I have not understand this question number or that question number, so you can drop your doubt into the comment box section. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Take a screenshot of all the answers.